Let's do another sum, and a very simple one based on trigonometric ratio. The sum says, given 15 cot A is equal to 8, find the value of sin A and sec A, right? So we have a right angle triangle here, that is triangle ABC. 15 cot of A is equal to 8, and we need to get the value of sin A and the value of sec A. So given to us is 15 cot A is equal to 8. So let's think first, what is cot of A? It is nothing but, we know it is adjacent side of angle A upon the opposite side of angle A. That means here it would mean that it is AB upon BC. So let's find it and keep it aside, right? Now the next, they say in the given information, they say 15 cot of A is equal to 8. Now from this given information, can we get the value of cot A? Yes. Because we need to know at least one trigonometric ratio value so that we can find the other. That is what you are going to do. That means from the given information, what is cot of A? Just shift 15 on to the right hand side. So we'll get cot of A is equal to 8 by 15, and we got the value of cot of A as 8 by 15, right? This is what we have. But we know already what is cot of A, that is AB by BC, which is, we know that by definition, we know that value, right? That means now when you look at statement number 1 and statement number 2, the left hand sides are equal. So the right hand side would be equal. That means we'll get 8 upon 15 is equal to AB upon BC. Does this mean that AB is 8 and BC is 15? No. So we need to take the common multiple. So let's take the common multiple as K. So now we have AB is equal to 8K and we have BC is equal to 15K. So we got the value of AB and BC, right? That is what we have done. So we got the value of AB to be 8K and the value of BC to be 15K, where we know K is a positive number, right? Now the question is, what do we want? We want sin A. So what is sin of A? That is, sin of A is nothing but it is opposite side upon the hypotenuse, right? That means opposite side is nothing but BC and hypotenuse AC. That means we know sin of A is equal to BC upon AC. And we know sec of A, which we want. Let's do that. Now sec of A is nothing but it is hypotenuse upon adjacent side of angle A. Hypotenuse is AC and adjacent side is AB. So we have it as AC upon AB. So we have the value of sec A. To get all these values, first we need to know what is the value of AC, right? So let's find AC. Now AC belongs to a triangle ABC, but you know triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Beautiful. So how do we find AC? We know how? By Pythagoras theorem. So if we apply Pythagoras theorem, what do we get there? We get AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now this is done. That's very simple. Now we know the value of AC? No, keep it as it is. We know the value of AB. Yes, let's substitute that, which is nothing but 8K. So we'll get it as 8K the whole square. We know the value of BC is 15K. Let's substitute that. We'll get it as 15K the whole square. Now we know 8K the whole square is nothing but it is 64K square, and 15K the whole square is nothing but it is going to be 225K square. So we have 64K square plus 225K square, which we have there. Now you know on the right hand side 64K square plus 225K square will give you the answer as what? 289K square. So we have AC square is equal to 289K square, right? But we want the value of AC, so what is AC? We'll take square root now. So we'll get AC is equal to root of 289K square, which will be nothing but it is very simple. We get it as 17K. That's the value of AC. Now we got the value of AC. Now can we find the value of sin A and sec A? Yes, let's do that. So we'll write sin A we know is nothing but BC upon AC. So just substitute the value and the value of AC. So the value of BC is how much? 15K, right? Substitute that, and we know the value of AC is 17K. Now K and K gets cancelled, so we'll get the value of sin A is equal to 15 upon 17. Which is the other value we want? We want the value of sec A. Now we know sec A is AC upon AB. The value of AC is 17K and the value of AB is 8K. So we'll have 17K upon 8K. K and K gets cancelled. So we'll get the value of sec A to be 17 upon 8, and we got this value. Wasn't this easy? Very, very, very simple sum.